Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
And the leaders and the thinkers, they will explain in detail. Someone fights against incursion, against exploitation, against
Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bam takasni. Ya umat dur uklawat Tirot syiem ubah kajat benriu kenyo kor benyo burom kum unang yakun lait lut persya ek sorkar bilan kam kut syu tang hapo karilum khasi layo jaka ban penyeng hasor ba Dhaka jong kari Bangladesh. Utirot syiem la ithu hapo kari Bangladesh ka jaka ka ba pynsah mensim khat do e ha kani kasla perthai. Kani ka jingethu kelawan ha ka dur jok umat dur saknam ubla penyeng hapo ka Indira Gandhi Cultural Center ha Dhaka Bangladesh. Une umat dur saham jong u Tirot syiem la plipat ba agasi thok ding do High Commissioner kari India sha Bangladesh uprane Verma but usumbut menteri rang ba ka jela ba snyau bhalang dhar ha ka jinge dan ringkat menteri katnat arts and culture ba polling do menteri ka kot ka khya kong emprin ding do ya gani ka program la pelong da ka IGCC Dhaka bar katnat arts and culture haringkat ka jinge trelang bar ka Bangladesh Shilpa Kala Academy. Katnat arts but culture ka sarkar Meghalaya kabla shimkhyai kabla plipat ba menha ka khatnriu trik rimphang harungkat ki khanatang da ki jing thodur babatai ka jing imjang Utirot syiem ki bala wa haki kenro jang Indira Gandhi Cultural Center IGCC na lor ka ne ya ka Indian Council Cultural Center Library ru la ai kerteng no sha ka Utirot Sing Library ban pynsah nam ya uni ukhlawan.
And the leaders and the thinkers, they will explain in detail.
सर यही है सर यही है सर give all of us inspiration. You really did something splendid.
Last 2 years of his life in captivity. It is a great honor for us to be able to pay our heartfelt tributes to the brave soul. Tirot Singh's life reminds us of the values of courage, conviction and determination. His supreme sacrifices inspired our national movement in unparalleled ways. The statue of Tirot Singh that we are going to unveil today here will stand as a testimony to his valor and selfless quest for freedom of his people from colonial oppression. It will also be a testimony to the close historical relations between Meghalaya and Bangladesh. During the liberation war of Bangladesh, thousands of Mukti Jodhas and refugees took shelter in Meghalaya during a very difficult time of our shared history. On that foundation of mutual respect and mutual empathy, our relations have moved forward. Today, Meghalaya is one of the key partners in Northeast India in our efforts to build strong people-to-people connection, active economic partnership, and robust connectivity linkages with Bangladesh. The new integrated checkpost at Dauki across Tamabil, whose inauguration I was privileged to attend last year, and a number of border huts that we are setting up in the bordering regions of Meghalaya and Bangladesh are adding new dimensions to the modern day relationship between India and Bangladesh. By doing all this, we are fulfilling the dreams of Tirot Singh for the well-being, happiness and prosperity of our people, dreams for which he laid down his life. His statue here in Dhaka will honor his legacy and stand for generations to come as a symbol and reminder not only of our history but also of our constant quest for a better future. I thank the government of Meghalaya for their initiative and active support. It also showcases the strong geographical and historical connection between India's northeast region and Bangladesh. As is well known, the state of Meghalaya is not only abode of the clouds, but is also home to men of courage and extraordinary vision. One such brave heart was undoubtedly Tirot Singh, one of the greatest leaders in our resistance against the colonial rule in the early 19th century. Long before the Sepoy Mutiny, Tirot Singh revolted against the expansionist policies of the then East India Company rule, and there is a very strong Dhaka connection with his life saga. Fighting valiantly against the British, it was in this city where he died nearly 2 centuries ago in 1835. Today at this commemorative event,